start off our show by putting some ginger into the blender like this. Rough about a teaspoon of fresh ginger. Okay? And then we're going to get lemon. So we're gonna use one medium-sized lemon. All right. And also I have celery and cucumber. So we're gonna put some celery. All right, a portion of celery. Excellent. So we're showing you how to do this basic recipe at home. All right. Excellent. So we're gonna put some cucumber inside of it. All right. Lovely. So we're using roughly about half a cucumber. You know that is beer water. So yeah. All right. Let's get some water. Yeah. Excellent. Then we're going to put a little bit of water, roughly about a half cups of water, not too much, inside of it. Okay. Excellent. That is a beautiful recipe for everyone to try at home. Something different. So, hope you guys will enjoy it. Leave your comments. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. All right. Lid. All right. And also you can get yourself a copy of the book on Amazon, 50% off for this time of the year. Okay, lovely. Then this is how it look in the blender, so we're gonna make some noise. All right. At the moment. The way it look, very delicious and amazing. So let's pour it off into a cup, into a strainer, into a strainer. Then I want to use a spoon and run it out. All right, you don't have to waste this. You can drink it if you like to, but I like a little smoother drink. All right. This is amazing. So you guys can see. As I say, you don't have to waste this, you can have it, okay? This is the beautiful juice right here, okay? Excellent. Lovely. So you guys can see the reason why I make it this kind of way, because I know it's a beautiful drink to have at home. All right. I got a choice. I don't know. I'm going to pour it off. Just a minute. Okay. Yeah. So here we go. Right here. Just pour it off. All right. And I'm gonna say something to you. It's one of the best drink you can have at home. Trust me. Beautiful drink. And I'm gonna tell you something. The reason why I know, because it's something which I drink many times. All right. It's cucumber, ginger, celery, and lemon. Little bit of water, bringing that flavor to it. Enjoy it. Drink this for 30 days. Be happy. Detox the body. Why not? A good vibes. And get yourself a copy of the book also on Amazon. A good vibes, people. You don't know the thing go. I always try my best to give you something fantastic and an amazing. Now, if you like this kind of recipe, you know what to do. Leave your comments in the description. Tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Basic recipe, but very effective, and I know you guys will enjoy it. All right. Hopefully I can come with better recipes than these, but these is proper old school recipe which we will never try to get rid of. We always keep them. Why? Because they are very good for detoxing and also weight loss. So we don't get rid of those kind of old recipes. We always try to keep old school recipe. All right, and this is one of them. Cucumber, lemon, ginger, can't go wrong. All right, the HMD, pick up yourself. You don't know the thing go. We try our best to do the good thing at home. A good vibes. Anyway, as we close off the show, thank you once again for watching. Stay blessed, and I will pick up you with more recipes. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.